Hello everyone, Merry Christmas to you all. In this video we'll learn how to create a simple birthday flyer using Pixellab and Snapseed. So first, I'll set the background to an image. Next, I'll import the picture of the celebrant. Next, add a text, just change the content. I'll use the Popstick font here. I'll set the color to this deep gold, you can copy the color code. Next, I'll reduce the line spacing. Now I'll add the name of the celebrant. I'll use the Adelia font for this one. Set the color to black. I'll just adjust the line spacing for the happy birthday text. Next, I'll add a goodwill text. I'll use the Konnect font. I'll just add a courtesy text. I'll style it a bit differently here. Then finally I'll add flowers to the bottom part of the design. Now save your work and let's head over to Snapseed. Here in Snapseed, click on white balance and increase the temperature a bit. Next, click on HDR Scape, with the people filter selected, reduce the filter strength to 5. Next, click on Tonal Contrast and leave the default styling. Next, click on Portrait, select Combo 3 and make sure the face light is kept on dark. Now, click on Grainy Film. You can select any style preset here, but I'll use the A01 preset. Reduce the grain to 14 and click OK. Next, go to Details and increase the structure to 11. Save your work and that's all. Alright, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please, if you did, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel for more value. Click a video on screen to get more knowledge on Pixellab and smartphone graphic design. Click on my social links in the description to follow me on social media and to join my Telegram and WhatsApp group chat to get more information.